Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix sound problem in Windows 10. Now first of all go to search bar and type control panel. Here you can see control panel. Click on it to open. When it opens, you will a drop-down menu named Viewed By. Click on it and select large icons. By doing this, many options appear straight from here, which are before buried into categories. Now from here you need to find sound. Then click on it. Now from here select your audio device and click on Set Default. And if it is not enabled, then right click on it. Here you will find option to enable this. After setting up, click on Apply and then OK. If unfortunately this method does not work, then try another method. Open sound setting as it was. Then right click on it. Now from here you need to select Properties. A new window will appear. Here you can see some tabs. From these tabs select Spatial Sound. Now make sure this spatial sound is off. If it is on, then turn it off. Then click on Apply to save, and click OK. If this method also not work, then try another method. Now turn back to the home screen. Then go to search bar. Type here Device Manager. Now a new window will appear. From here you will find various drop-down menus. Among them you need to find sound. Click on it. Inside it you see another two options. Click on Realtek Audio. Now, this your sound device. Now, again right-click on Realtek Audio from menu. Then from here uninstall device and restart your computer. I am not uninstalling because I don't have any audio issues. If it also not works, then see another method. Now, again turn back to the home screen. Then go to search bar. And search Services. Then click on it to open. When you open it, you can see various settings among them. But you need to find Windows Audio. Once you find Windows Audio, then right-click on it. A menu will appear. From this menu select Properties. Now, a new window will appear. Here you can see a drop-down named Startup menu. From this menu select Automatic, if Automatic is not selected. Then under this, you will see Service Status. Click on Start, if service status is not running. Now hopefully your problem is solved. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.